see. Extra mechanics. Chapter is too hard. Alright, let's figure this out. Test world. Which one are we doing? Chapter. Is there anything we want to do in chapter 3? Let me see. Alright, so I'm wondering if I should polish this mechanic right now, or if we should go back to chapter 4 and do some level design there. You know what? Yeah, we'll wait for people to... We'll see how people are doing in chapter 4 with the new updates that I made recently, and then, yeah, based on that, we'll see, yeah, we'll see how it goes. I think right now I low-key want to try adding, like, I'm thinking, like, it'd be really cool if we could add some sort of, like, pipes to this level. I'm just worried, like, okay, so we have one pressure plate for these right here, and then we would have to make another pressure plate for like the right side, if that's the approach. So yeah, we'll have to figure out, I guess that's what we'll do today, is try to figure out how chapter 2 is going to be designed. It's going to be here. Chapter 2 design, firebox design. So things to consider is pressure plates connected via like a pipeline. Color, yeah, I guess color coded. Let's see. They can be color coded for sure. I mean, it doesn't really matter if they're color coded if they're like associated with some sort of pipeline. Also, like, do they need to be on the same side? Is this markup? No. Are you talking about like how it's done? How like certain things are done? I don't think so. Has like its own little system to it. It's called what the hell is it called? Obsidian? Have you heard of it before? Oh yeah, well, Oh, there's one other bug I would say, and that's collisions with pressure plate are wrong. Okay. How's it going, by the way? How you been, Sentient? Early today? Yeah. I'm also like slightly hungover. I drank a little too much. I I was playing video games with my friends, and then I got way too drunk and I just went to sleep. No, but obsidian is a really common name for anything. I guess that's true too. But yeah, it's like a note-taking software. I think they, yeah. So someone, I think I started seeing another streamer use it, and I thought, oh, let me check it out. Cool effects with the fire things. Oh, thanks. Yeah, we did. So I added like this little, like, cute little, you could step on it and like it makes these cute little sounds. And then there's also a startup animation and then a ending animation. Like you can see that they kind of fade away. Not fade away, but like, they blow up. How is a ghost harmed by fire? Actually, that's a good question. Yeah, I actually don't have an answer to that. I guess, like, actually, have you ever seen, okay, well, actually, technically my character is not a ghost. They're caught between two realms. I mean, if you watch my streams, you would know the lore. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, like if you want to call it a ghost, there are reasons you can justify a ghost being harmed by fire, but technically we're not a ghost. We're like in between, both being human and ghost. So there it is. It's garlicky fire. You're gonna program in Fortran today. Interesting. Fortran's like the old school programming language, right? $1957. What for exactly? For fun? But yeah, I am still like a little. It's like purgatory, yeah, kind of. I am a little hungover. Again, I just want to let you reiterate that. So we're probably gonna take things pretty slow. See how it goes. I didn't even drink that much, but I guess I did drink on an empty stomach. So I guess that's what hit me. Because the second I knocked out, why aren't you resting, dude? I don't know, bro. Something's deeply wrong with me. Cause like the thing is, I'm gonna be up anyway, and like I'm gonna be in front of my computer anyway. So it's like, all right, if I'm in front of my computer, might as well just work on my game. And if I'm working on my game, I might as well stream. So sleep, I did take a nap. I slept for like 2 hours. And I woke up and now we're here. But that doesn't change the fact that we're... actually, I'm gonna take a Tylenol right now. Or, I don't know how to pronounce it. Acetaminophen? Acetaminophen? Acetaminophen. I don't know. Whatever. It's gonna make the hurt go away. Going to use it to demonstrate algorithms to calculate all the vertices and volumes for the Johnson solids. What are Johnson solids? That's a good question, Mr. Glick. I'll show you what Johnson solids. That's not a good joke. All the regular non-uniform convex. Honestly, that I just have more questions. that didn't help with anything. Alright, so what did I want to do? I said I was going to do something, and then I guess I got distracted. How? Alright, I'm not sure. Right, we do want to make pipes. Who's that Johnson, and where do I get my own solids? Alright, so many things to do. Also, here, wait, I'm gonna make another, how do we do this? Chapter 2, oh, and actually, we'll say, polish? What? I thought this was how you did it. Oh, wait, space, there we go. Yeah, it has its own, like, to make, like, H1s and H2s and, like, all this stuff. And I wish they had, like, a thing for, like, if you right-clicked, it gave you a bunch of commands on how to, like, make things work, but it doesn't. I had to kind of figure it out on my own. Maybe there, oh, no. I'm sure there's something somewhere that tells you, hey, this is how you do things, but... Obsidian URL, reveal file navigation, blah, blah, blah. Rename, split. Source mode? I mean, I guess there's a source mode which can help. If you have like a template. Whatever. 92 three-dimensional shapes that all have polygons with sides of equal length. Pipes? Mario clone? Yeah, actually. Alright. So for polish, I'm gonna do we need chapter 2, 3, and 4 vines, but also I want to also add grass, or yeah, I want to call it grass, but every chapter will have its own form of like unique quote-unquote grass. Well, actually we'll just say vines / grass. Okay. So that's that. What else do we need to polish? Let me see. In terms of the mechanic itself, I think it's pretty good. Technically, they don't fit. I wonder if I should make it fit within the 6. Like right now, they're not on the 16 by 16, but you can still climb it on the sides. Well, I'll have to see if I should increase that. But yeah, we'll make the pipes right now. I know I have pipes somewhere in the game. Let's see. Oh, so we have these pipes. The background pipes. I'm not sure if we're gonna use it though. And then we also have. Let me see what this is. It's called pipes.png. Peepers. By the way, how's the boat? How's the bus coming along? Alright, so we have these. They're pretty simple. I think these are actually Kenny assets. Yeah, they look very simple. We probably have to add our own little twist to them. But also, let me open up Apollo real quick. Mode indexed. Boom. Call nav convert. So yeah, I mean it's pretty simple. Also, wait, what the hell? What? What's going on here? We have two windows open. Oh, well, these are even simpler. But yeah, there's that other asset pack I know that's in, I guess, our downloads maybe? Let me see. I know we have it downloaded somewhere. Start the wiring. Pretty much. Oh, the furniture's pretty much done. Funny thing, originally it was supposed to be about. Oh yeah, you gotta send some pics one of these days. I'd be interested to see your build. So yeah, these are, ooh, I actually kind of like these, and we could like, I don't know, like this little, I would like to make my own little, like a wheel, like, you know those red wheels that you turn? It's like, wow, something like that. Make our own. Actually, I know there's an asset on itch that looks really good. By this dude. I wonder, is the sale still going? It's 50% off by this dude, Untied Games, and he has a certain asset pack that's like decent, but it's not that good in my opinion, and it's kind of overpriced in my opinion as well. Where is it? I swear. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, this one. I do like the wheels, how they look. As for everything else, and I don't know why it's $6. I mean, should I get it? One, the pipes and stuff look way too futuristic for me. And the tile map is actually not the best because it's very dark. I mean, it's very light compared to what I'm used to. Learning is not limited to a small set of men. True. Yes. Took me a while. Took me a while to figure out what you were saying, because my brain. I have limited brain cells. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna use this. I do like the way some of these look. Like, well, I don't know what the hell this is, but it looks cool. Same with this. Like, I don't know what the hell this is, but maybe I could work in the game. Also, I mean, whoa! I just realized these are like huge pipes here. All right. Oh, and this looks pretty decent. Like this as a background object would look pretty cool too. Shit, man. All right. You know, like sewers would be a pretty cool level. You know what? I've been eyeing it for so long. Give me a discount. 50%, not enough. I'll pay you an exposure. Imagine. My brain is limited to a small set of of cells. Yeah, honestly, right now for sure. These look really cool too. Background looks really cool. Dude, I just need to decide. When does the sale end? Four days. We have 4 days. Okay. Alright, let's grab these pipes. Also, like, there's this, whatever this is. I feel like we can make our own version of it. I assume, like, this is supposed to be filled with, like, this pink stuff, but, we're probably not gonna do that. We're just gonna make it... I don't think we're even gonna use it. I just want the pipes for our, flame things. So, and what's this? I don't know what that is. And what's this? Okay. I feel like this should look like this, maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Let me grab it. I think we'll make a new scene right here. Or, sorry, a new 128 by 128. Alright, let me create the... I wonder why they set it up like this. I wonder if this is like everything we need for the bit mask. I am going to also grab the firebox so we could just have like a similar aesthetic here. Maybe we might even change the firebox base. Why is the color... It feels like the color palette of this... Oh no, it's fine. By the way, wouldn't making wood things spit fire isn't the most intuitive thing? How do you know it's wood? Hmm? You don't know? It's wood? I don't think so. I think it's like special afterlife material. Like supernatural material that is actually fireproof. So there you have it. But it isn't. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were the creator of this realm. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll change it. Alright, this is already not looking good. I am the creator. Something like that. Like that's how they'll be connected. Obviously they need to be the same, or like a very similar color. Let me see. How does that look? No. I mean, the transition from this to this could be different. Let me see something. Are there any other, like, what color is this? Currently using this one here. Can try using... And then maybe, like, if I can somehow dither. I always found that word to be weird. Dithering. And dithering. Could be copper or brass. Yeah, it could also be that. Although I feel like copper or brass also has a pretty low melting point, right? But I mean, again, it's only a game. How many internet points to be a character in the game? There's like no characters in the game, so I don't know. Like literally at the moment, there's like no characters in the game. And there might not be. Actually, I'm not gonna say anything. This obviously doesn't look... How many internet points to be a collectible? Can't you just be happy enough? Happy to be in the credits? Like, is that not good enough? Technically, is it really dithering if it's a static image? I think so. Dithering is just it's just this. I don't know what the technical term of dithering is though. Maybe it's something else. Also, I feel like maybe I should do this to add some like extra details. Oops. It's barely noticeable. Are we on night mode or something? No. Here, wait, let me see. Maybe there's a better color to use. Like red or orange. It might be too colorful. But it also might be pretty cool. Let me see. Yo, Neo, how's it going? How are the games? Yeah, I'm not sure what to do about the like the pipes look cool, but I don't know if it's gonna work out. Also, they're definitely not aligned. Let me see if we can... Okay, they do align with 8x8 stuff. Okay. Let's see. I'm curious. I don't know. I'm not entirely sure what they were what they were doing with their bit mask. Like, it seems like it's all over the place. There's a left side, but then there's no right side, unless... Yeah, it's kind of confusing to me what they were doing, but maybe we'll figure it out along the way. Yeah, because like there would be a right side here too, and they don't have that, so I guess maybe they did a lot of like flipping in on their side of things. Yeah, that's probably what happened. They just, I don't know, maybe manually drew these and then like connected everything. Like this was part of their gameplay or something. I don't know. Wait, what the hell is this? Why is this Oh, this was on a different layer. Alright, let's just try this. Where the hell is it? Sprites. Should I put this in tile map? I mean, it would be its own tile map, but it also might be a part of traps. Let's put it in traps. Say firebox. Firebox. Pipes. I think we would make our own tile map for this. Or a new tile map. Okay. Probably a new auto tile. I'll have to edit this to 8 by 8. There we go. Alright, so yeah, this is probably not going to work. Probably, well, let's see. Maybe everything will work out. Actually, yeah, I don't know what the hell this is for. I don't know why this is there. It doesn't make sense. I guess maybe to attach halfway through a wall? I don't know. Let's just see. It might be better to just draw all of these like ourselves. Or like, you know, you select something and then you attach it. I don't know. Let's see. So let's make this 8 by 8. I mean, some of them seem to work out. Like this actually looks pretty good. Maybe they did solve for everything. There's no... Can't do something like this. Well, maybe we'll have to make our own for that. Alright, let's just try this in the game. What the hell? Why can't I write anything? Only problem is that you can see the cutoff artifacts from the tri-way pipes being used for straight lines. Yeah, we could probably, we'll definitely update it. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep this, but well, yeah, we'll try it out, see what it looks like in the game, and if it looks good, then we'll actually implement it. Firebox tile map. I'm gonna call this. Let me just see something. Oh, it is capitalized. Oops. Okay. Firebox tile map. Let's add it to chapter 3, or like, I guess here. The Z index probably needs to be higher. It's gonna be like on 5 or something. And material wise, I wonder if we'll have to make it unshaded. We'll try it out in game. Oops, let's center this. Or put it back on the origin, I mean. And just bring it up here. We have so many nodes in a single room. You have so many nodes. All right, so this looks like poo-poo. Well, one, there's no way to get this to look. We'd have to make like a custom thing so that they all like, I don't know, one, they have to go downwards like this. Let me see, disable auto tile. Let's see if we, dude, I don't even want to be bothered with this though. There's too much. Be like one here, one here. And they would have to be 16 by 16, and they would be like all attached to each other. I think it would look pretty bad. Unless we can, let me see what it looks like in game. I guess we could try it out. Oh, it looks like crap. Something tells me this game would go well with ghastly minor, diminished quartal, and pental harmonies over Lydian chord in particular. It sounds like a Lydian scale. Honestly, it sounds like a lot of like that sounds like a different language to me, to be honest, because I don't know anything about music. Do you have any examples of what you mean? I assume you mean like something like, well, like harmonies. I know what harmonies are, I guess, I think. Like, very, like beautiful sounds. Also, Tez91, thank you for the follow. Yeah, we'll get rid of it. Well, I guess one thing we could do is make them color-coded. I'm trying to think if there's anything else we can do to make this work. Maybe we could still connect them if we did a 16 by 16. Yeah, a 16 by 16 tile map, and they just connected. They went through, and then like these were still attached to each other. We'd also need to make a texture so that something for this right here, so that it act like the physics of it looks like it's actually doing something. Dark, spacious, and atmospheric music, basically kind of like Paranorma over apocalyptic world in a movie. I see. I like both. So I actually want a combination of both. It might be because I've listened to so much Undertale that I want like a combination of things that are like kind of motivating, but also like at a certain point in the game. At a certain point in the game, the entire game is gonna be black and white. Like there's gonna be no color. Right now we have like a lot of color in our game. At least in the earlier levels, and then they start to get dark. They start to get scary, or I mean, as scary as a 2D pixel art game could be. I mean, it's still cartoony, but yeah, the black and white level is going to be kind of. I mean, it's missing color, so it's like it's supposed to, I don't know, instill some sort of sadness or like hopelessness, and in those parts, I think definitely having like a dark song would be great. But because this is like a precision platformer, a lot of the music is going to be sort of uplifting, I would say. Like here, I'll show you one of these. This is a new song that I added to the game recently. And I do really like it. It's a combination of, I didn't like it at first, but I messed with it a little bit. It's, oh my god. I apologize. It is fast. But I actually like this. I do like this song for this like episode or like this chapter. I think it matches relatively well. Don't think we know how scary 2D pixel art can truly be yet. Yeah. Yeah, I guess that's true. But yeah, I don't think I can make this game scary, or like, I don't think I can, but also maybe I just don't want to, because that's just another element I would have to work on. Originally I did want to make it scary, like dark, like very, very dark themes and stuff, but I don't know, the more I worked on it, oh shit. The less scary it's become. More like PG-13 it's become. Which I think is fine, I guess. We'll remove the. Should I try making a 16x16 pipe? Yeah, let's try it out. Or I said it, let's try it out. Like let's try making it, and what I meant was let's go on itch and try to find assets. (32 by 32). Have comedy to fill the necessary voids. Yeah. Trying to think, like, are there any good horror games that are 2D that are like actually good? Also, I gotta say, I don't know. I've played my fair share of horror games in general, and they're usually not scary at all. Like even the 3D ones. So yeah. Alright, these are pretty bad. Or I mean, very simple for what we want. Check out open game art real quick. Depends on how you define horror. I guess like just a scary experience, or like, you know, just being like not a thriller, like not like, oh, these are some really dark themes, because yeah, games can tackle that pretty well. Like I mean, even like Undertale can be a scary game for some people. Just like the ideas of it. But it's not really scary. I think if you have like sounds and like cinematics, maybe you can make it pretty scary. Did I want to look up pipes? Seems like I've looked this up before. Ooh, these look pretty cool, but they look very, very high resolution. A lot of Metroid-like blocks. So what else they got? Right, so that's it. Oh, there's one more here, but it doesn't look promising. I'm gonna look up pipe as well. See if anything shows up there. What is this? Minimal background tubes? These look really good, but these look very... These look like a very high res image. Maybe we can like scale it down and look decent. Let's see what this is. Nope. Again, these, nope. Let's see this. Oh, I gotta say, this looks pretty cool. I mean, this is not exactly what I want, but it's pretty cool. I think to be truly scary, you need to make the player feel like they're out of control. I'm just trying to think. The only games that I've played some again, I played a decent amount of horror games. The ones that I think are that there's this game that I played with a friend called Labyrinthine. It was pretty good. It's like a maze game. The gameplay loop is very, very simple. It's just you're literally just in a maze and you're solving like little puzzles, and then you have to avoid like a monster. He chases you. He runs a little bit faster than you, and but it's just like the sounds and stuff, like the environment that it built. Looks like VLSI. Make you feel weak and hopeless. Yeah, you can't be kicking ass, right? Oh, you're talking about this. Yeah, it does kind of look like that. Maybe this would be like a cool, yeah. I would love to add like other, so because this game is not bound by anything, like, you know, we're in this like supernatural world, but it could all be in the player's head. And so like adding like futuristic themes, like a futuristic chapter is not out of the question. Like we could definitely do it. I would love to have like almost like a cyber apocalypse kind of level. But I feel like that might be like a DLC or something. I don't know. I just played the new version. I gotta say, it is harder. I feel like it's harder because you want to speedrun it. If you take your time, how is it? I mean, it is an extra form of, like, there is an extra form of input. And technically, like, you don't have to press anything. You could technically, progress through the chapter without pressing anything. Like, you know, you don't have to press dash, you know? So that's another option. I'll show you. Yo, Toasted, how's it going? Red tube? You think it's harder? Alright, I need more feedback before I was literally about to work on this chapter today, and I was like, you know what, I need to see what other people think. I know it's hard. Dead Cells has a nice way of using pipes in the background. Dead Cells has a nice way of doing a lot of things. Oh wait, what the hell? There's a bug. That's why it's harder. Are you using mouse? It's bugged on the mouse. I think we're registering some input. I think that's why. I don't know what exactly is happening though. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Let's try to figure out. I thought we figured this out yesterday or today. Toasted Gears. We got a lot of new followers recently. Yeah. I think it's because I literally doubled the amount of time I stream every day now. I stream twice a day. Let me add you to the cards right now. Sorry about yesterday, my internet went out. No worries. You got raided by Adam the other day as well. Yeah, that's true. That was pretty cool. I got raided by a lot of cool people recently. I think it's because like I don't usually stream around this time. So like, you know, like I'm active in like the people who stream late and then they raided me. Or like they saw that I was streaming and then they raided me. So like that was, I guess that's what's been happening. And also you just like you expose yourself to like another group of people that usually don't see you, because like, you know, it's 2:34 a.m. for me right now, so like, you know, I'm basically either, you know, a lot of people who are maybe on the other side of the world are watching my stream now. I don't know. I don't really. No, we have some crazy times though. Also, the game is making some progress, so that could also be it. But there you are, Toasted. You are now an awesome viewer NPC. Oh wait, I forgot. I forgot how I do this. I put people on the top of the list. I don't know if I feel like CLSLR was an OG maybe. So yeah, and look, sentient juice. Here, let's put you up here. Oh, not here. Up here. Let's do this in order. So then it was Licit. Then it's Rayman. And it's Toasted. Been here since you started chapter 3. Right. So how I do it is like, yeah, it's supposed to be like the last person who activates it gets to be on the top. That way, like, let's say Octo wants to be on the top again, he just has to pay. Not that it matters, it's just a name. It's just your name on the most, you know, on the best game ever. It's only your name immortalized on the craziest platformer, unique precision platformer. I don't know what the hell I'm getting at. I'm still slightly hungover. All right. What is next? So yeah, let's figure out what the hell that bug was. There's input from the player. I assume like just left click is set to true. On our wonder if it's on our input control. I assume it's from our input controller that's detecting that. Left click. There's left click hold and left click actuation. I guess we'll have to figure out which one is doing it. So this is in our neutral state, I believe. When we're in the neutral state, let's look at the state logic actually. States dot neutral. So if enter force dash, if not neutral state, enter the dash state. If can dash or is on floor, if not force dash. Is it this? If not enter neutral state? Is that literally? Oh wait, what? What? If previous state was teleport state, if not force dash. So this wouldn't even run. The only thing that could put us in the dash is this. If enter forced dash, if not neutral state. Oh, okay. I think I figured this out. So let's go back into our while in state, because I think this is what is technically running. Okay, so if force dash, yeah, we're doing left click hold. It should be, I think it should be left click actuation, or just dash input. Dash input actually will be set to true. But okay, I think what we need to do is if there is like dash input, we need to check if the dash input was sent via the mouse. I think that's, yeah, we have to like update our like how we handle some of these things sooner rather than later. Let me just see if this, I think this will temporarily fix the issue. Mr. Glick, if you're still here, was that what you found to be the problem? Like, it was just that you were dashing in and, like, it was too quick? Also, are, like, the rotations of our thing now are, like, incorrect. Because the... Honestly, I think this is better. At least for the mouse. Oh. I'm still not good at it though. Here, let me see. Technically, there should be no input from the keyboard. Let me see if I could just... Oh my god. It's gonna be difficult though. Actually, I think at that exact moment we do need input. Let's see. So a lot of like, hey, what the hell? What was that? What? What's going? Oh, dude, what the hell? Okay, it's pressing. Felt like it wasn't pressing. Oh, I'm just dumb. I assume that I can get there, but I need the momentum to get. There we go. But yeah, honestly, I'm not a fan of the mouse. I prefer... I just prefer raw. keyboard input. Okay. Yeah, I'll update the new version. Hopefully that's better. At least it's technically better. It solves the issue, but there might still be one if dash input, or I'm trying to think. Yeah, I'll upload this version. It's not that much different, but it might solve the problem that you're having with the mouse. Okay. Is there any update I should make before we upload the new version? Yeah, we'll upload this version like at the end. That way we have a minimal amount. Unless you're here and want to play. Unless you're here and you want to see the updated version. If anybody wants it, let me know. Or oh, I should also make the channel reward today. So right now, the demo is on Steam, but the new demo with Chapter 4 and like all the Chapter 2 updates, those are only accessible through itch on like a private page. And what I'm gonna do is if you pay like 5,000 channel points, you can get the updated version. That's what I plan on doing. What should I do here? Let's run this main scene again. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna be. Oh, dude, I still feel the hangover. Like my brain feels like mush. Okay. Comment this out. We want Chapter 3. Okay. Should we add like particles? So I need to add particles. We need to add something so that they look like they're connected. Let's do that right now, actually. What I think I'm gonna do is just connect the same base that we have for all our other objects. So like, yeah, these bases, I'm just gonna put. Actually, you know what we could do? We can go into our pressure plate here. So I'm gonna lower the volume on the game. Okay. Let's go to pressure plate, spring. And we do have an animation player here. It's not much is going on here, though. Let's see. I wonder if this will just look good on its own. Okay, so if we make it look like this, one, we have to make sure that it's unshaded here. Oops. And in terms of, I wonder, like, maybe they should be all aligned too. So right now they're like in the platform. Oh, but you know what would look really cool is if we could like make it like sort of seamlessly go into the timeout, because it seems like we're always putting it there. Oh, yo, how's it going, Arya? I was gonna play your game on stream, but I didn't see you around. Can you talk about the camera system? So the camera's not that unique, I would say. Like, there's nothing very interesting about it. What can I say? Also, how's it going, Octo? I swear you're purposefully destroying my sleep. That's exactly what I'm doing. You know, I wake up, I start my stream, and I'm like, let's ruin Octo's sleep. Do you have it on the player? I do have it on the... Actually, no, I do not have it on the player. It is its own scene. Like, separate from... I think it's separate from the... Wait, let me see. I already forgot. Let's see. So, actually, there are some issues with the camera, though. It's not perfect because we're using... there's like some jittering that happens if you use camera smoothing. So I do like a combination of things. I've tried so many methods to get cameras to like get the perfect camera movement, and still it's not perfect. And unfortunately, there's no way to make good camera movements on pixel perfect animations, or like, you know, on a pixel perfect game. At least in Godot, unless you're using like maybe like a shader or something. I can only get it non-jittery if it's on the player. Really? That's interesting. Maybe I'll try that next. Wait, I don't think it's on the player. Let me see. Actually, I should have just ran the scenes and check where it is. Probably better approach. Let's see. Remote, main scene, viewport, player. Yeah, so it's not on the player. It's a unique scene, but maybe I'll try it. Maybe I'll try putting it on the player. Yeah, so right now all I do, let's see. Player camera, I believe, is the name of the scene. Maybe not. Let's go into chapter 3. Let's just go into camera. 2D. Player camera. So, yeah, we're running. I swear I've done so much with the camera. Like I've tried so many methods, and it seems like what I do now is just say global position is equal to target node.global position. But I've tried a lot of things. I've tried like lerping towards the player. I've tried like lerping towards the player with camera smoothing, without camera smoothing, everything in between. I've tweaked like all of these settings: process mode, physics, and oh, I'm not even using smoothing. I thought I was. Maybe we set it. Oh, you know what I think I do? I actually set it. Camera smoothing is turned on the ready. Timer.start. There's no timer here. Smoothing in it. What the hell? Interesting. Do we add like a timer afterwards? Where's this timer? It says $ timer. Maybe there's another camera that I'm using. Main camera, player camera, camera scene test. Let me see something. Let's look at like, wait. There must be a timer somewhere, cause. Let's see. Okay, 1 second. I have to go specifically to a certain room. Oh yeah, if we die here, let's see what happens to the camera. Oh wait, if we die here. Huh, yeah, that's so weird. Oh, it's because there is probably a timer here. It's because we were searching. Yeah, there's our timer. That was slightly embarrassing. I don't think we use this, whatever this bottom edge thing is. But yep. I have it on the player with inbuilt smoothing, but I don't like how it behaves in general. I want a better look ahead, like so a method for like looking for looking ahead, like further ahead. Is that what you mean? So I've done something. So like if the player is, I used to have this mechanic where you were zooming, like you zoom really fast through the scene, and what I would do is based on that direction, we would have the camera like push forward faster than the player, or like just change the offset of the camera. So like if you're moving really fast to the right, the camera would offset more to the right, so that you have a higher chance to see what's coming up, or a higher chance to react to whatever is in the game. I did that at some point, but that mechanic is not in the game. Do something like that. So yeah, I don't have that implemented into the game anymore. Let me see if I have the code for it. It seems like it's been lost forever, it seems. Or maybe it's in a different, let me see. I have like a bunch of cameras. Not this one. Camera scene test. No, never mind. It's probably somewhere in like one of my commits, but it'd probably take years to find. All right. Let's see what we haven't done much. Oh yeah, we did fix the. We were working on this, right? Okay. So I would have to remove the lines here. We would actually have to make this a unique node. So let's do that really quick. I'm gonna, you know what? I'm just going to grab these two. So 16 by 16. We're gonna make a 32 by 16 image. Just gonna grab like an on and off button. Or make it look like it's on and off. And maybe we'll do the same, like remove the animations just for the sake of making this look better. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. What is I think it says uneven. Yeah. Have I considered using A spray or Libra spray? I have considered it, yes. The reason I don't is because I'm just so familiar with GIMP. I already know how to do everything with GIMP, or with the amount of work that I want to put into pixel art, I can already do with GIMP. So all of the other fancy tools that come with A-Sprite or Libra Sprite, yeah, I wouldn't need. I would love to be better at pixel art. I don't know, but yeah, I feel like this is going to be the extent of what I do in game dev for art. But maybe one of these days, I would love to. It's just hard. Let me call this pressure plate base. And let's go here. gonna try removing this. Kind of want it to like blend with the background tile. But yeah, Arya, I'll play your game right now. If you want me to judge it. It was made for Ludum Dare, I think, right? Yep. Alright, let's do it. Give me 1 sec. I just want to see what this looks like in game, and then we can head on over. Base. Oh. It's very short? Okay. Oh, apparently I made a pressure plate base. Let me put it. Let's put this here. Something wrong? Something like offset. Is it not in the center? Wait. What the hell? This is 3 and this is also 3. What's going on here? Did I not? Maybe I didn't export it. Interesting. What the hell? I guess, I don't know, something's wrong with my brain today. That does not look right, though. What's going on? Alright, you know what? Let's just leave it like that, see what it looks like. Doesn't even, honestly, it doesn't even look that good, so we might remove it. Yeah, it looks like crap. Wait, let me... I'm gonna remove those, there we go. We'll figure it out. Maybe we could find like a better asset online. I also need to add like some particles to it too. Yo, Casual Nerding TV. How's it going? Oh, whoops. I accidentally clicked raid you instead of shout out. Shout out. There we go. I don't think I've seen your stream before. How's it going? What you been up to? You're a Russian streamer, it seems. Or, I mean, it looks like Russian, I don't know. What you doing? Why does it say raid cancelled? Because I accidentally said /raid casual nerding instead of /shoutout. That's why. Oh, you do game dev? Or, here, let's just look up what this says. It was just... It's Bulgarian? Oh, I see. Well, not Russian. Okay. Sorry for the, for my lack of knowledge. You can make that... You're making that into a Discord bot? You mean you can use its API? I see. English and Bulgarian stream. I see. Cool. Nice. Oh yeah, I'll give you a follow. But yeah, I do... Just no one speaks English in chat. Fair enough. I swear even I talk myself in English sometimes. I see, I see. But yeah, for those of you who are interested in seeing what I do, I'm making a platformer similar to Celeste. This is one of the newest chapters, I would say, or like this is actually one of the older chapters, but we're implementing some new mechanics to it. There's like these pressure plates that you dash into, and they turn off the flame, and then you have like a certain amount of time to get across. And we're currently just like polishing it. Like I added like these little sounds to it. It's very satisfying. Yeah, basically, as long as one of them is activated, the pressure plate will be off. But I'm thinking of polishing it in some way where like maybe, you know, like this orange one could be connected to orange ones, and then we can have like a blue one connected to blue ones. I'm not sure how it's gonna work just yet, but that's the current way. And like, yeah, if you turn this one, it turns all of them on, turns all of them off. And what's cool is that they're all actually connected. So like, I could technically turn off this one. If we can make it in time, you'll see it actually turns off the ones in this room too. So like, there could be some potential for like speedrunning in this level. Or yeah, but we'll see. I haven't designed too many rooms with this mechanic just yet. We're kind of just play testing it, or like testing the waters. Looks like a cool mechanic. Thank you. Yeah, I was just messing around, and then it seemed to work. So I was like, you know what? And yeah, the chat for a while was complaining about not having enough. Like, my entire game before this was always just it was always just spikes everywhere. So this is like a new type of enemy, or like a new type of obstacle in the game, which could make for some pretty creative rooms. Actually, I gotta go AFK for a while. I'll be back later. All right, yeah, I'll play it. If you want, I could play it when you come back, if I'm still streaming. All right, I'll see you, Arya. But yeah. Also, we're still a little hungover, by the way, so you might notice I sound like I'm sleepy. I mean, I usually do sound like I'm sleepy because we don't get enough sleep around these parts, but I'm especially sleepy today. Yo, how's it going, Titan? What you been up to? We're currently just I don't know. I don't even know what we're doing. Kind of just chilling. Kind of just been going back and forth. We're trying to polish our platforms here. But I can't figure out how to make it look good. Maybe I have to make it look like a 16 by 16 tile right here. Because that's like like we usually make them stick out like this. So maybe putting it in like a 16 by 16 like base would not be a bad idea. Let me see if we could find some more assets. Let me look up like something like you know, I'm actually surprised there aren't too many steampunk assets. I feel like steampunk, you know, it's not in the new, it's not cool anymore. I feel like steampunk used to be really cool and now it's like pretty mid. I think cyberpunk is the new thing for people. I think steampunk maybe lost its cool after BioShock, maybe? Do I know any JavaScript? So my most well-known language is probably just Java, or like I learned a lot of Java when I was like in high school and stuff. I don't know JavaScript, to be honest. I mean, I feel like we could probably learn it relatively quickly, but yeah, this looks like, it kind of looks like this programming language is called GDScript, which kind of looks like Python, but it's kind of like in terms of like functionality, I would say it's kind of like Java. But yeah, only asking if it looks usable, or should I write things from scratch? Oh. Do you think this is usable? Honestly, I wouldn't know, to be honest. Maybe someone else in the chat is more familiar with JavaScript. Just API fetch. Yeah, you know, to be honest, I don't really do much like web-based programming or anything like that. Trying to think of the simplest way possible. I mean, if someone else in the chat can... Just want to use that thing and put it in my stream. I see. I'm trying to think if there's any, like, maybe a Discord that you could post it on. Yeah, if you like, I feel like hopping onto a... Actually, I know the perfect streamer who would help you out. Don't worry about it. Alright, yeah, sorry I could be more help. I know Bad Cop is pretty good with like Twitch APIs and all that kind of stuff. You're hitting us at enough time? No, no worries. You rated me, I really appreciate it. But yeah, Bad Cop is, let me see, are they online? No, they're not. Who? Here, I'll give you their Twitch. Actually, I could just shout them out. There it is. And they usually stream, like, I don't know if they're gonna stream today, but they do stream almost every day, or recently. Have a couple of friends you can bother too. I see. Just like finding things on my own. Yeah, fair enough. What was your question, Mr. Glick? How did you pixelate only the gameplay? Did you use a viewport? Yes, I did. this is exactly how we pixelate everything. Maybe you could probably find a shader too to do it, because like honestly, using the viewport stuff is hella annoying. Or like, I mean, it was just annoying to set up. Yeah, literally, I just put my viewport here. You put everything as a child of the viewport, and then you need a texture rectangle that has the, what is this? The viewport as the texture, and then that's what you're displaying. So this is what displays the game, and it's very odd. Maybe there might be a better way to do it. Using a shader gives trash results. Oh, I see. So yeah, then you probably want to do it via the viewport. There's a, here, let me see if I can find you the YouTube video I watched that helped me make it. There was a lot of trial and error. Viewport, Godot, pixel art, perfect. This was done in, oh, here it is. So yeah, that's the video I watched. I think there's, yeah, should work. They actually teach you, I think they teach you how to combine both. Like you can do both non-perfect pixel art and like certain things, like let's say you only want particles to have pixel art, you can do that. That would actually help with jittering in your game. But I kind of like the idea of everything being perfect, but yeah, we'll see. Okay. Let's see. I keep getting distracted, like I'm lost on things to do. I guess we're just chilling. Yeah, we're looking to figure out, you know what I think? A good, like, what do we do? Alright, let me see something. There was this, in this asset pack, I feel like maybe we can use one of these nodes here. Something might look good here. Maybe not. Oh, like something like this, but in a 16 by 16, I think would look relatively cool. This is 41 by 41. Yeah, let's see if we can maybe use this. So the base. Which one is it? Is it here? Holy shit. The bug. Alright, we can try using this. If this doesn't work, I'm kind of out of ideas. But I mean, this still doesn't look that good. Let me try. Anyway, we have to merge this down. Let's try putting this in a 16 by 16. So I would just scale it down. You know what would also look cool? Like this upside down, and then like maybe, wait, this would actually kind of look cool. I assume I made this into 8x8, so we kind of have to expand it a bit. See how that looks. Something like that. And maybe connect these kind of like that. I should have put this in a 16x16 so we can possibly add some mirroring here. Oh wait, whoops. Just need vertical symmetry for now. Oh yo, how's it going, Kent? It's time for me to continue my idle RPG project. Oh, good luck with that. Give your bed a follow too. I'm gonna lurk. Putting some stuff together myself. Alright, good luck. Thank you again for the raid. Should have been a 30-man raid, but I got bamboozled. Oh, no worries. I think it's the thought that counts. Honestly, 30 might have been a little. Honestly, 30 probably would be a little overwhelming for me right now because I'm like, I feel like I'm like half asleep trying to figure out what we're doing today. I want to say I want my stream. You want your stream to be international? I see. I see. Maybe you need to feel the pressure. Yeah. So we're not good artists here. I'm just gonna kind of wing this. I'll just leave it like that. As for this area, how you develop stamina? True. Push it to the limit. $30 people would have been, yeah. It's all good. Gonna have a chill stream today. Having no idea what you're doing and coming from Clown Fiesta. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing. Let's try this. See how this looks. Platform, pressure, plate, platform, bass. 16 by 16. Just want to expose my chat to other sides so we can brainstorm on stream some more. That's a pretty good approach. And to English, I see. That's great. I gotta say, like, I mean, the fact that you speak a different language is great for like a starting niche, so to speak. Like, for compared to other streams, like gaming streams, it's very hard to grow. So the more niche you are, the easier it is to grow, at least to a certain point. And then once you get to that point, you kind of have to like expand, which is difficult. Like for game dev, at least. Not ultra niche, I see. But I mean, like, I guess I would say I feel like non-English streams is a niche of its own, you know? English plus Bulgarian. Like, I wonder how many Bulgarian streamers there are compared to, like, yeah, compared to, like, just other languages. Like, I mean, just compared to English. So there's like it's like a open market, so to speak. And then, but once you go from there, then like you can only go so far with just one. I mean, I know you're saying English plus Bulgarian, but I'm just saying like Bulgarian is already, like, if you're filling the Bulgarian requirement, it's that's good. It's like requirement 1. Maybe I'm not explaining myself well. You beg lurkers to write in English. There's no one saying anything in English. So maybe you've already set the tone. Maybe you'll want to... No, it might be difficult. Like, you can't really ask people to switch languages. People are Bulgarian. I mean, yeah. I'm sure it's frustrating, but maybe you would have to make another Twitch, but restarting would be very frustrating, I would assume. You got this, Super Saiyan. You got this. I agree. Where the hell is my pressure plate spring? Oh, it's right there. Let's try this. Kind of a crazy bass. Really crazy. It does look better, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, it would be cool if these could connect to each other, but I wouldn't know how. Hmm. They do look cooler, I gotta say. I think we are onto something. I'll have to mess with it some more. Also, wait. Yeah, see how these are like aligned? Maybe I should align the dots here so that these are also connected. That's what, 2 pixels? I can't even see. 2 pixels from the bottom, or 3 pixels from the bottom. This looks like trash. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. How are we gonna make this? They look kind of ridiculous at the moment. And, okay. I think this does look better. Actually, it's just, still really, still a little too minimalistic. Maybe I could get rid of the base here and make it look more like these. And also, shit, I just realized, this is like, yeah, I think we should keep like the design of these consistent. So whenever we have, let's see here, like, yeah, they should stick out. Like this. Maybe I can try taking one of the like transition textures from here and putting it on this, and maybe that'll make it look better. And I think maybe we'd have to remove what we're doing here. Yeah, maybe just making it like let me see what it looks like. Yeah, we can make it. Let's see. Let's go to our spring. What is it called? Pressure plate.png. Let me make a backup of this in case we ever decide to come back to it. Oh, what the hell? Why'd that happen? Thank you for the posture check. I think my posture's not too bad, but maybe we can try to improve it. Alright, let's try that. Oh, we were trying to... maybe merge this down. I wanted to make a backup layer. There we go. That slightly improves like the base of it. I want to give it like I don't know, maybe we should make this look like a this thing right here. Let's see if we can just copy and paste this. Yeah, how's it going, Deborah? Oh, why does this one look like ridiculous? And then maybe we should like only put it on one side. Like the top and left pixels. Making a valve puzzle. I guess we're creating maybe like the potential for it, but I don't think we'll have it in the game per se. We'll see. At least not yet. I think there's too much to worry about before we can make puzzles. But I mean, in the level design, I'm hoping like certain nodes could be connected. And it could look pretty good. Oh shit! Everything just closed. What was I gonna do? I wanted to open up our I want to open up the transition tile map and like copy what we have here. I forgot what it's called though. Yellow cave tile map. Yellow cave tile map. Okay. I think like some of these right here would be pretty good. We got a new layer, put this right here. Throw this in. Let's hide some of these. Gonna flip this. Let me grab some more texture. Maybe I should just grab this whole thing. Let's see, image, configure grid, 16 by 16. Let's make this red. Okay. Okay. Are we already using, we're using that color. Is there another one we can use? Surely. Wow, I thought this was gonna look so much better. Let's see, can we add like more details to this? Ooh, that actually looks pretty cool. Much better than, at least much better than what we had so far. Let me see. Still, I mean, there's something missing. It blends too much with the background right now. Maybe we could use this, but just change the colors a bit. Let's see. maybe we should just make the pressure plates this color, and that would solve all of our problems. Maybe even make the flames not orange anymore. I kind of like the way they look. They look good, in my opinion. It's just something about... Also, this part sucks, that top part. It's not good enough. Alright, let's see. Maybe we can do something with this. What's the problem? Let's try making it, I'm gonna try making it the same color again, but yeah, just brown. So, what's our darkest color? Our darkest brown is this, I guess. I'm gonna make a new layer once again. Let's hide this. Okay, so that's our darkest brown, and then let's grab the next one, which is this. And then the lightest one, or the second to lightest one. Choose this, and then let's fix how this looks. Okay, and then we'll also, I think we'll want to give it a, like an outline of some kind. Ooh, looks... Yeah, I don't know. I mean, obviously they don't transition to each other well. I'll have to like add this as a part of the base here. See if we can grab this. Oh my god, because we covered it, it looks very weird. We might have to redo this. Unless, maybe this will work. Still looks like crap. Huh. What was the issue with the original design? It looked too basic. And now it looks like, I don't know what it looks like now. It just looks poorly done. And the color doesn't match the other nodes. That's another problem. So if we want to use this dark color, we have to use it for everything. Ooh, you know what'd be really cool too is if we do decide to use these this like pipe thing. I don't know what it's called. I guess the wheel. If you dash into it, it'd be cool if the wheel turns. It's like as if it turned off the pipes or something. The you know, the pipeline to the gas or oil or whatever the hell we're using. But yeah, it still looks bad. I don't know what to do. Maybe we just need to like sleep on it or something. I recently heard this thing where like it's good to like leave things not necessarily good to leave it like undone, but like it's not a bad idea to kind of just take a break, don't worry about it, and then come back to it with a fresh start. Because you also, like, if you, let's say you sleep on it, you know, your brain is still working while you're sleeping, and it's, you know, you might like subconsciously solve a problem. And then now I'm thinking maybe what we could do is put the z-index of this node on the... Okay, wait, I think I have a better idea. I'll try it out. Let's do this. Let's make it just this. Let's see. And then we'll put this on the foreground here. Or sorry, let's go back here. And then in every room we'll put the tiles back on there. And it's kind of like part of the pipe is exposed, and then part of the pipe is just covered by the auto tile here. Something like that. Also, this looks a little weird. Maybe we could do something similar to these nodes as well, where it's like half exposed. let's see what that looks like. Oh no, it still looks bad. I think we just need to take a break, and I'll figure it out. Might even figure it out off stream. Alrighty. Alright, let's leave it at that. Let's see who is online. Who's this? We got Proton, we got... I don't know who this is. Proton and CodeRad. I think I rated CodeRad earlier. Is there any other Godot developers? You know what, I'll go for Proton. I haven't rated him in a hot minute. Alrighty, people. Till next time. If anybody's interested in playing the game or just wishlisting, I'd greatly appreciate it. Here it is. See ya, Titan.